Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. We got a 2009 Land Rover LR2 2.2 motor. This one was to have a starter replaced. This is another one of those what the F the engineers were thinking kind of bolt crap. Lower bottom bolt, really easy enough to get to. Second bolt, not so much. Oil pans in a way, but you can get a wrench on it with no big issue. Main power wire and the little ground control wire up at the top. But why the hell they want to put a bolt all the way back there for the fun of it? Anyways, easy enough repair, about 15-20 minutes. Big skid plate comes down, you get to it real easy. Also, make sure that you take the battery positive cable off before doing so, otherwise you will be sparky. Anyways, have a nice day.